Welcome to Acquia, the only digital experience platform with Drupal as its foundation. If you haven't already chosen Drupal as your web content management system, here are a few reasons why you should. Drupal is the most widely used content management solution for enterprise businesses, including 40% of the Fortune 1000. With best-in-class speed, flexibility, and scale, Drupal helps companies of all sizes build, run, and enhance their site experience. And Drupal has one of the largest open-source communities in the world. At Acquia, we help organizations optimize Drupal websites and applications. We share a code, a founder, a vision, and a commitment to our worldwide community. The Acquia platform was purpose-built for Drupal, and our technology solutions are only available here. Add in a global partner ecosystem of today's most talented digital leaders, and together, we're bringing the world's best digital experiences to life. We help your organization develop, run, and optimize your Drupal site. We've been building our platform for 13 years. Over that time, we've optimized each phase in the lifecycle of a Drupal application. Migrate, build, run, secure, scale, and enhance. First, let's talk about migration tools. Whether you're transitioning from an older version of Drupal or you're moving to Drupal from another content management platform, Acquia's migration tools simplify it all. Our migration tools reduce the time, costs, and risks associated with Drupal upgrades and migrations. Ready to start building? Say goodbye to the days of downloading, installing, and configuring developer tools. Say hello to writing code within minutes, all thanks to Acquia Cloud IDE. These solutions are designed to make developers more effective by shortening onboarding time, improving productivity, and adhering to information security requirements. Not a developer? No problem. Acquia Site Studio is the only low-code site builder that is simple enough for any business user. Create landing pages and designs in minutes while our tool generates the code. No developers required. Once you're done building your site, we make it easy to deploy it. Drag and drop your code between environments. Deploy and release gates with our built-in continuous development tool. Now that your site is live, Drupal Cloud makes it easy to manage, monitor, and upgrade. New Relic Pro Application Performance Monitoring helps you stay on your feet by identifying code that causes lags. 24/7 live monitoring provides real-time updates on your application performance health. Via remote administration, your sites are automatically updated for you, saving time and effort. Unlike typical hosting providers, we provide 24/7 application-level support from individuals with the highest level of Drupal expertise. We troubleshoot any problem with your Drupal site. This means we support all 10,000 Drupal modules, as well as your own custom code. As the #1 organizational contributor to the Drupal security team, we're best positioned to help keep your site secure. As a founding member of the Drupal Steward program, we can protect your site before security fixes come out. Acquia's Drupal Cloud meets the highest security standards, including FedRAMP. No other Drupal hosting company matches that. Acquia's Cloud Edge provides security, including WAF, which protects against DDoS attacks and implements Drupal-specific WAF rules. No wonder so many of the world's top organizations trust Acquia. Now let's talk scale. Our customers have seen traffic spikes of up to 2,000% in a matter of hours and relied on Acquia to scale their sites agilely and dynamically. Whether you have 5 page views a month or 500 million, Acquia has you covered. That's why sites with the most traffic on the internet trust Acquia. To optimize speed and performance, Acquia's Drupal Cloud is built with multiple layers of caching, including a built-in CDN, varnish, and memcache. The best part? All caching comes pre-configured, optimized to work with Drupal. Many consumers experience page load times faster than 100 milliseconds, the blink of an eye. Site Factory, a solution pioneered by Acquia, gives you the power to manage a portfolio of thousands of websites with a templated approach. With a single dashboard, Site Factory streamlines the management of multiple sites while maintaining site governance and consistency. Launch multiple sites quickly and easily, and manage your entire content library from a single place. With Site Factory, you can view the performance of all your sites, accelerate the creation of new sites by cloning existing ones, manage roles and permissions across departments and job functions for your entire site portfolio, and apply security patches at scale. Acquia can give your site some superpowers. Acquia Search improves upon Drupal's built-in search with advanced features like faceted navigation and powerful matching capabilities. Site visitors can find what they need much faster. It helps increase engagement and reduce bounce rate. With Acquia personalization, you can enhance your website experience with the only solution optimized for Drupal. Deliver in-context content based on user behavior and preferences to maximize conversion and revenue. But it doesn't end with your site. Acquia's Marketing Cloud supports your business across domains, brands, geographies, and websites to drive consumer relevance at every touchpoint with agility and flexibility. All of these solutions in one place makes Acquia the best digital experience platform to optimize your Drupal site. Acquia is secure, scalable, and powerful. Visit Acquia.com or talk to our team to discover what Acquia and Drupal can do for you.